Yo, what's poppin', everyone? Welcome to Gap Trades. You already know who it is. It's your host with the most, Jermaine Hatcher. And today we're going to be talking about how to make money in a bear market. That's what type of market we in. So you need to know how to profit during these times. All right, so we're going to go ahead and dive right into that. Smooth? All right, cool. And we are back, baby. You know what? I haven't hit y'all with no love in a minute, huh? It's been about like a whole week, huh? I apologize. Last week I was out. I had some surgery on my mouth, so I really couldn't talk. So I decided to not drop no videos until I was able to enunciate and speak correctly. You understand me? And then we had the holidays and everything, so it was a time for me not to trade. But let's go ahead and get into it, or should I say drop any videos. So let me go ahead and get into it. Let's dive right on into it. You're looking at a live trade, and it was perfect. It worked out like how we wanted to. It's been struggling the last week by the market trying to find the bottom since we entered into a bear market territory. So we had a lot of volatility in the market, and a lot of the windows didn't hit. But what that means is, as a trader, the windows are going to hit sooner or later. We're at the end of the quarter. We're going to be going into a recession by all accounts by the year 2020, by some of the indicators and by a lot of the economists. That's their prediction. So what we're going to experience in 2019 is a lot of deleveraging, since we're in the peak phase of the expansion cycle, and they predict the recession to start at the end of 2020. So that means around the second quarter of 2020 is when we're going to start experiencing the contraction that we're going to be going to, that's going to lead into the recession. I'll drop another video on contractions, expansion, throughs, and peak cycles of the business cycle later on. But get back on the trading. So what we're going to be experiencing from here and probably the end of January, because people got to file taxes. So you're going to be seeing a lot of selling going on in the stock market as well, because they got to pay taxes on their stocks and everything else, capital gains and shit like that. So that's what we're going to experience. But today we had a gap up window, 172 points. Perfect trading day. So that means 172 points. Half of that will be, what is that one? 86 or something? I believe so. My math is off a little bit. Yeah, 86 points. So 86 points, $400 day trading. We had to fake out. We didn't have an initial pullback, so we jumped in the trade right here at 21,969. That was the entry point, and then we exited at 21,727. The best way to make money in a bear market is to have a proven strategy that works. Gap trades are proven strategies that works in any type of market. A bear market, a bull market, a sideways market. It's a low risk, high probable trade, and it's the best trade to take to get your day started, because it's the only time that market participants have to show their hand. So these are the type of trades, as a trader, you want to be able to trade during a bear market, is momentum trades and gap trades, because they are proven strategies that work well in any type of market situation. So what you don't want to do is, you don't want to be taking bad positions during a bear market, especially long positions. If you do that, then you're exposing yourself to the downside risk of the market, of what we're going to be going through. because in a bear market, it's going to be a lot of selling going on, a lot of selling. That's it. The market is going to be going into correction mode, correction territory. I feel before we truly find the bottom, will be about 20,000 on the Dow, maybe 19. We'll give it back what we gave back, what we end up getting from the presidential election 2 years ago. You remember when he got elected and he passed all them bills and everything? The stock market jumped up 5,000-6,000 points instantly. Well, now we're in a contraction phase, so all that has to be deleveraged. We have a lot of companies that use the low interest rates that we had to make investments. Now that money, it has a price on it since the Fed's been raising rates. So a lot of companies now got to deleverage. They have to give it back. But that's a basic way to make money in the bear market, is to have a proven trading strategy that works. That's the only way you're going to be able to survive to the treacherous times that we're about to enter. But that's my take, and so I will holla at y'all. And there we have it, people. That is my take on how to make money in a bear market. Like I said, you have to have a proven trading pattern, a proven trading strategy, and the right market to be able to trade this strategy and to capitalize on the downturn of the market. So, like I said, if you found this helpful, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, any which way. Do something. But we're going to go ahead and keep this going, and I will holla at y'all mañana. Everybody be smooth. All right, cool.